Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? I am here with a Dollar Tree haul. But first, thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you will be notified of any video that comes up. So, welcome. Real quick, let's see what do we have from the Dollar Tree. So, take pictures of my hair stuff, some more little covered elastics with some hair clips. Summertime's coming. Picked up some of these just to sort out some of these. The little alphabet piece. My friend Donna was doing that on we were Zoom the other night, and I was like, oh, I need to do that. Some more toothbrushes, some batteries. I did pick up a couple books. I love photography books, even if they're kind of outdated. I just like to see if there's any for $1 and go through it at home and see if there's any tips or anything here that I don't know. Anyway, or I can use these pictures out in the glue book. Same thing with this one. For $1, you know, you might learn something, or can use it because it's got color. Glossy. It can even use some alcohol inks on these pages. So multiple reasons for getting these books. They can be read, which is really the purpose of books. But you can also use them for other things. Collaging, glue books, like I said, altering these things, using ink, alcohol inks and things like that. Just think outside the box. And didn't get this sticker set. I got the other ones, but I didn't get this one. So this is the River Night. Susan had showed me this one, so take that one up. And then I just decided finally to get some new quarters because I'm doing some scrapbooking and stuff, and so that means I have to make some albums. So I just got all of these. I can put them on some pages or whatever. I don't know if I'm going to use them or not, but I just got them just in case. And those. And that is it. That is my Dollar Tree haul. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.